Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. Today I'm going to be doing natural tie-dyeing with turmeric. Saw this on a couple of different places and I'm bored because this week I'm self-quarantining and able to go see my family, so I thought, why not? And I've been meaning to do it to this shirt in particular because I wore this shirt to the beach and a shithawk, i.e. seagull, shit on my arm, and it was toxic waste, obviously, that comes out of their body because they're garbage birds, and it dyed my shirt yellow. So I thought, what better way to hide that stain on this cool linen Oxford button-up than to dye it with turmeric so that it will not show, because it will be that color. Tricks. And then I bought a couple of these masks, so I'm going to dye those as well, just to have some more masks around, since that is the new normal. It says discard after 25 washes. Cool. They're polyester, so I'm hoping they will dye okay. I'm not too sure. If you're going to do natural tie-dye, to wash the fabric first. So I'm going to wash the two masks by hand. It's just to kind of get like any starches or anything out of the product. These are a little large for me, but I can do a little sew job, no problem. I think they'll look cute tie-dyed. But yeah, I'm going to wash the two masks. I actually shouldn't even have put it on my face, but... And this has been washed a bunch, so this is good to go. So I'm going to go wash those and let them hang out, eat lunch, and then get to dyeing. Okay, so to submerge it in cold water for half an hour. So that's what I'm going to do. So, there's a lot of instructions on the internet. I'm going to do 12 cups of water and 3 tablespoons of ground turmeric. And then it says to bring it to a boil. It says to bring that to a boil. Then as soon as it's brought up to a boil, bring it down to a simmer for 30 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do now. Let that simmer for 30 minutes, so 6:20. 30 minutes to do the rest of the dishes. Let that simmer. The great thing about doing natural dye is it smells really good. The smell of turmeric is delicious. Okay, everything is ready. The turmeric is done. I've turned off the heat, and my stuff's been sitting for longer than half an hour, so I hope that's okay. And I'm gonna just wring it out and then put in my designs with elastic bands that I just dug out of this trash drawer. I think everybody has one of these in their house. If you don't, then you're a better human than I am. I don't know what to tell you. Bye-bye, poo-poo bird stain. Ew, look at how gnarly that is. I was on the beach when it happened and I was literally stuck in the shirt having to wear a freaking toxic waste bird poop stain shirt. Just a tidbit of info for you. I want the shirt to be a little bit more on like the whiter side. I don't want it to be too yellow or too orange. So I am going to crumple up the shirt, which I'll show you behind me, and just add like a couple of, wow, I can't figure this out. Add a couple of like, you know, tie-dye swirly things to it. But yeah, let's see. I haven't tie-dyed since I was like 7, so it's been a hot minute. Don't listen to me too thoroughly. I would Google something on the internet first before listen to me. I am not, you know, the queen of tie-dye, but I have done this once in my lifetime. So maybe it'll just come back to me like riding a bike. Who knows? I'm hoping. This one kind of looks like squid. And then did the crumple method here, hoping this will turn into a spiral, but I don't know. We'll see. It says to soak them for like 8 to 10 hours, but I think I'm only gonna do 6 or 7 because I don't want it to be too intense of a color. I'd really like it to be like a muted yellow. Sorry, Tyler is a little dark. I should fire right now. Let's go outside. I want the color to be a little bit more muted, so I'm not gonna let it sit for as long. Yes, I am looking like a pineapple. Yeah, so I guess I'll touch base with you in a couple of hours, see where we're at color-wise. I'm excited. I really hope my mediocre non-pro designs worked out. Fingers crossed. It's 10 p.m. and I think it's time. I don't want it to be too yellow, so I think I'm gonna take it out. Do you think it's a bad idea? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Okay, we're in the bathroom. This is actually still kind of hot, so gotta be careful. So fun! So now I am supposed to rinse these until the water runs completely clear, and then let them dry. I would put them in the dryer, but my dryer is in front of the other apartment downstairs, and that would just be mean to like put the dryer on at night. You know, she could be sleeping. You never know. But OMG, OMG, guys! I think this is my new favorite thing to do. Natural tie-dye. Next time I'm gonna use coffee grounds. Tip for all my tie-dye friends out there: if you're gonna use turmeric, don't pour it down your bathtub. That was a rookie mistake. I'm now scrubbing the shite out of my bathtub to make sure it goes back to white. So pour it down your kitchen sink, you know, stainless steel. Loving the vibe of this shirt. Oh my gosh. I love like the darker spots that came out. Like that. Looks so good. Oh, so good. I love this detail on the pocket. This is like much lighter and that's darker. This was the little bit that I had tied up there. I'll definitely give you a better look tomorrow when it's dry. But I'm just loving this. I'm loving this like white splotch that like hardly got anything. Ugh, I'm obsessed. Killed it. Killed it!